Omogiro bw'ekigaali ky'obusombi gokyanda abakenya emyezi ensemo okora litukoli igoro nabo igorero ebyombe bitenete ekigaali ky'obusombi nigo byakorega ikaro n'abarayi b'eserikali emambi ya lero nabo igogwanchira na gutuguterale omugiro oyo ekero CHINKWANA kiragendera ase Egeka KEIKemo erebosio waniga batenenelia se sekta ya Matatu babuli abanyene ekigaali kuyirana para nabo igokogendera n'imirimo yabo ya kira lituko ase abakenya abaganire kwiranira imirimo yabo tambe mugiro yega nigo chete maiga yo komentwa kweligori iri amaguta nagotomenya mulikito Edina Mora.
Ekero omugiro bw'ebyombe byobomo bw'obusombi ime ya Kenya kubwata lituko lya kabere echumanine ya lero magega y'abakenya gutanganga ase chisiteni ao ebyasara gusiekwa na abana gutagenda chisukuru bono ebyombe by'obusombi kuragwa n'abarayi babo bakorire egekaro emambe ya lero erio kugayana engana yo gukina kweligorira amaguta. Abanyene Matatu nigo baganitie ogokeiwa kweligorira amaguta asekerengo g'ekisiringi 43 asekere lita kurende talia chire 10 eserekari yaketie obutuku bw'igoro
had requested for a reduction of 46 shillings and they are still agitating for further reduction despite the 10 shillings reduction that happened last night. Following a consultation meeting this morning, between the government and the representatives, it was agreed that that there was need for negotiations between the government and the stakeholders at a high level, and that those negotiations must be undertaken within the next 1 week.
Korengana no mawaziri b'obusombi na amaguta n'ekinguru ky'omuliro Opiyo Wandayi otebire CHINKWANA ekyo gati y'eserikali n'ebyombe byobomo bw'obusombi baikereire ogwanchirana asamentire gotebanga eserikali yabekira omukyao ye asokoligia chinchira ky'okuguswelia abananchi egurube yeligori lya maguta.
Since yesterday, those deliberations have been concluded this morning. And I must confirm that they have been concluded successfully. As a matter of fact, following the skyrocketing of petroleum product prices, has taken very, very deliberate measures. That is a demonstration of the fact that the government continues to be sensitive to the plight of Kenyan petroleum consumers. And that is going to be the case even going forward. I must thank the public sector transport operators for their understanding.
Umugavana Johnson Sakaja nero akirimbuya ase CHINKWANA cy'omurembe na ogwanchirana gati y'eserikali n'ebyombe by'obusombi koirana emirimo na gokonya abakenya abo bagendererete gwetera amakongo koirana emirimo yabo tambe.
Wakenya wameumia na sio hawa tu, kwa sababu wako kwa biashara, hata Wakenya wa kawaida in all sectors. Children have not gone to school. There are sick people who need to go to hospital. There's farm produce that needs to be transported. And so that is why we chose to get out of the way and just come together. So I want to assure the people of Nairobi, the people of Kenya, that we have found a way forward together. We'll have very high level deliberations. Watu warudi kazini, watoto waweze kurudi shuleni, watu warudi kwa mashamba. Let us build our economy even as we resolve this issue.
Bono abarayi b'ebyombe by'ekigaali ky'obusombi batuguteirale omugiro na gusaba kigaali kyonsi koirana para na kugenderera n'emirimo yabo ya kira lituko nonya nabo batebire onyamwigwa nayo tago kyagwikiraniwa mbairane omugiro naende.
With all due respect and the respect that we have been given today here, as you can see, my sisters and brothers and the citizens of this nation, we want to extend that respect to the media and to the nation. What we have agreed here, I can confirm that the strike has been suspended. That is what I want our Kenyan citizen to hear. Since we have suspended the strike, give room to negotiation, and if that does not, if that we are not able to agree, we'll come back for the same. But for today, the nation should run. Thank you very much.
Kuripoteria ETV Yensoko Erieta Nedinamura.